Hi, it's Tiziana. Today I'm wearing W7 nail polish. It's called Polar Bear. I'm wearing two coats, and instead of applying a top coat, I have applied ILNP. This is also a top coat, is a kind of shimmer top coat with green and purple, and so I applied one layer of this to give it this purple shimmer, but it doesn't show up here in the camera. By the way, it's called Mile High. I'm gonna make rhinestones money today. It's not something I have practice with. Rhinestones is not something I use often, but as I saw a German tutorial about rhinestones, and I thought I would give it a go. So I will start with this one, Essence Black is Black, I think it's called. No, Black is Back. So I have these brushes. I bought them on AliExpress, and I'll use one of them. They are called Kolinsky brush, and they are really thin and nice to hold, and on the edge here they have like they are like cornered, so you are able to use them when you make decals and reverse stamping, for example, and you want to apply the decal, you can use this edge to tuck it in, or you could use it for other things. So I never tried it, I'm gonna try it now. I'm gonna put some black on my small plastic piece here. So I am not a professional, I'm just a normal girl who likes to make nail art, so keep that in mind. So I want to try and make like a black line. So let's see. And I have not practiced. Maybe I should have. This brush is amazing. I really like it. It's so small and cute. And it's so, I don't know the word, it's so nice to hold. So I think this is good. So let's put the brush somewhere. And this. put it away. I'm just gonna let this dry. Then I will be applying some glue. I've got this one. It's with a brush, so it's easier to apply. And then I have prepared some rhinestones. I'm gonna use these small, how you say, silver beads. I'm gonna use these silver beads. I put some in my tray, and then I will be using these, which I bought very long time ago on AliExpress. They are different sizes, so small and bigger and bigger and bigger. So I'll be using these two, but just wait for this to dry. So I have taken out some rhinestones here, big one, smaller, and then smaller. And I have my glue. I'll put the glue on the black area. You can always add more as you need. Just like this. And then I'll take one like this and start with the biggest one. Where is it? There, the biggest one. And place it right there on the corner. And let it just sit for a second. And then I'll take the second biggest Oh. I have the katana, but I prefer this one. And I'll place it just with a little bit of space because I want to put some small beads in the middle. And then the same size, place it on the other side of the big one, like so. Same size in between. I think I have to put some more glue. So I had a small break because you have to let the rhinestones, how you say, you have to let them sit. So I just had a 5-minute break, and now I'm gonna continue, because otherwise they move around while you're placing the others. So I'm gonna put some glue here and put the smallest one that I've been taking out, again with the same distance. And then I'm gonna put the other small one here. So now I'm gonna let this dry again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the small beads. So I'm gonna put 3 small beads between each of the rhinestones. Oops. And the glue, you can always remove the excess after when you do cleanup. So I got my first hand finished and it looks good. And my right hand, I have painted it. It was a little bit hard on, the right hand, and but it went okay. And now I will apply the rhinestones. So a good idea is to first paint the black and then on all nails, and then apply the rhinestones, or whatever color you want to do. You could do purple or pink or... These are the finished nails. I hope you like them. I like them very much because it's my first rhinestone mani, and I think it went pretty well. The right hand was a little bit tricky, but not so much because there are not many rhinestones. There were only 3 or 4. I mean, there are not many, so it isn't so difficult. So if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet, then subscribe for more nail videos and hauls. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Wish you good luck. Bye. Look how they shine.